The Great Fire of 1666 was a PR disaster, but an urban planning miracle. It helpfully erased about 80% of medieval London, a cramped maze of timber houses and streets barely wide enough for a cart. Suddenly, King Charles II had the chance to build a modern capital from scratch. A logical, beautiful, fireproof utopia. Christopher Wren, a genius astronomer who just happened to be an architectural prodigy, drew up a glorious plan within days. The future was bright, geometric, and full of wide avenues. Wren's vision was breathtaking. Think Paris, but with more drizzle. Grand boulevards radiating from central plazas, a rational grid replacing the organic chaos. John Evelyn and Robert Hooke also submitted their own, equally ambitious plans. They all agreed the old city was a death trap. Their new London would be a monument to reason and order. It was the 17th century equivalent of deleting your city's entire hard drive and installing a brand new operating system. What could possibly go wrong? Well, for starters, people owned things, a deeply inconvenient detail. While the buildings were ash, the property plots, meticulously recorded, remained. Every merchant, every guild, every homeowner clung to their precise, oddly shaped piece of land. To impose Wren's grid would mean years of legal warfare and compensation nightmares. The government had no money for that, and people needed to rebuild their shops and homes immediately, not 10 years from now. Turns out, grand visions don't pay the rent. So the dream of a new Rome on the Thames died. London was rebuilt largely on its old medieval footprint. A tragic failure, right? Not entirely. The Rebuilding Act of 1667 was the boring, pragmatic hero of the story. It mandated brick and stone construction, wider streets, and better sanitation. No more houses leaning on each other for emotional support. London didn't get its revolutionary redesign, it just got better, safer, substantially less likely to spontaneously combust. It's the most human outcome imaginable, aiming for the stars and landing on a slightly improved, fire-resistant rooftop. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more historical insights. Thanks for watching, nerds!